Hello, 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 and welcome, my Aquarian collective Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign. Welcome to your What Do We Need read for this new moon to full moon next June into July 2020. I'm your reader, Angelo Lyons, Mal for short, professional witch, professional intuitive, and president of DrawingTheCircle Productions. Very, very happy to be serving you from the comfort of my dining room here in beautiful Holbrook, Long Island, New York. Yay! Let's get down to biz, shall we? If you are new to the channel, please do consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification button, because I am putting out content pretty much every single day, so you'll get notifications of that, as well as feel free to comment in the comment section, because I do like a good comment, don't we all? That being said, also keep in mind this is a general read. Please take what resonates, leave what does not. It's only a 5-card draw, right? I'm only pulling 5 cards, 1 card from 5 different divination systems to get you clues, tips, and hints about what you need for this new moon to full moon next from Cancer to Capricorn, June, July 2020. So these are averaging around 20 minutes or so. So not too long. You can go check your other signs if you really want to. Cool, cool. Other than that, we are looking at a specific period of time here. Obviously, we're looking at the new moon in Cancer, Sunday, June 21st, which is the day after summer solstice, which is a little odd that we would have the brightest day of the year and the moon, it will be dark moon in Cancer for a little bit, the sign of the moon. You see what I'm saying? It's like a big paradox. But a very, one would think, emotional new moon as a result of that, also it being Father's Day, to the full moon in Capricorn, which is July 5th, day after July 4th, duh. So another interesting weekend there, the blessing moon, both of which are eclipses, right? The new moon is the solar eclipse, the full moon, the lunar eclipse, as they are. And eclipses tend to be a little earthquakey. So the guides this time around were very clear. They're like, just a 5-card draw, no tarot, it's all oracle, which is odd for them and me. I always like to throw in a little tarot. But they said this is what you need in 5 different ways. And I like the spread. I like doing it this way. So let's see how it goes. All you have to do is focus on your breath so that you're in the present moment. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. I will do the same to bring you through the guidance and the grace, clairvoyant, empathy, and all that jazz. Shall we? Cool, cool. Going to start with the Healing with the Angels Oracle by Doreen Virtue. All the decks that I read are in the description box below. I will call them out as I use them. Let's get to work. Breathe. Oh, I know I have to get through that explanation part to get to that breath where the, really, it's like then the angels open up to me. It's such a cool feeling. Here we go. My angels, please. What is the Healing with the Angels Oracle? The angel that extends a wing and a hand of healing to the Aquarian collective. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs this new moon in Cancer to full moon in Capricorn, June, July 2020. What is the angel they need to heal? This is a need to know reading, right? What do they need to know? What is the angel that they need to heal with? This June, July 2020 new moon to full moon. Next, spiritual growth. Bang. There you go. Now that means so many different things. But to understand that if you are going through a period of spiritual growth, that there are usual growing pains that can come along, that particularly as your ego is unraveling, right? As it's dissolving, it's being absorbed into your soul. A lot of pain can be coming up, right? The growing pains can often be when we don't get what we want. It makes us mature, it makes us grow, and the whole planet has been going through, I can't get what I want, but if I try sometime, I just might find I get what I need. I'm sorry, it's like a swear jar. Every time I work a lyric from a song into my work, I've decided to take a sip of water so I will stay plenty hydrated. It's good for your skin. Let's keep going. We're going to use the Angels, Gods, and Goddesses Oracle, a very direct deck if ever I saw one, asking what it is that you need to know, or I should say offering information on what is it that you need to know or be aware of, because it can be a little blunty blunt. Hold on one second, I just want to thank you, otherwise that camera light just gets me right in the corneas. Ow! Right? So let's do this. Breathe. Oh, my angels, gods, and goddesses. Hi, please. One oracle card, please, for the Aquarian collective Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. This new moon in Cancer to full moon next in Capricorn. What do they need to know about that they may not know about? What is it that they need to be aware? Particularly in terms if it's connected to the angels talking about spiritual growth. What have you got for them, please? An oracle card from the angels, from the goddesses, or from the gods. Thank you. Goddess of the Earth. You got one of the goddess cards. 3 suits. Angels, God, goddess. Goddess of the Earth. An idea connected to imagination, creativity, and nature is coming your way. An idea connected to imagination, creativity, and nature is coming your way. Now, this is a very beautiful picture. A goddess being part of a tree, or a tree goddess, right? So in terms of your spiritual growth, we definitely get the imagery there of growth with the earth and the roots and the trees. So this might be something that, though it says is connected to imagination and creativity, but that nature part of it, that grounding part of it, I can feel that. Something perhaps not just about the physical body, but like I said before, about growing pains. Stay grounded, I'm going to take away from that just at the moment, because an idea, because you don't usually connect idea with the element of earth, you connect idea with the element of air. So something that is connected to your spiritual growth with your creativity and nature somehow. Let's keep going. It's an interesting piece of the puzzle, a little piece of mystery thrown there. Let's ask the Ascended Masters to. The Chuck Spezzano Love Pack, the Suit of Problems, is over on the shelf because they were just naughty, naughty, naughty during those twin flame reads I just did. Oh, those twin flame reads. I had to pluck my eyeballs out, particularly my third eyeball. Those were a lot. So we're just using the rest of the deck, which is luck, healing, and grace suits within the deck. Let's see what the Ascended Masters say you need to focus on for mastery, right? Focus on this for mastery, at least this new moon to full moon next, which means really you could put this into a prayer, you could put this into a spell, whatever this card indicates, because it's something you want to build, wax, from new moon to full moon next. Here we go. My Ascended Masters, please, one card in clarity. What is the element, the thing, the piece of luck, the piece of grace, the piece of healing that the Capricorn collective Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs needs to focus on for mastery? This new moon in Cancer to full moon next in Capricorn, July 2020. I can't believe how often this card has been coming up. Dream come true. Dream come true. Just came up for the Scorpios. I see it because I wrote it down. I absolutely wrote that down on the list. That's probably in the title. Dream come true. Now here's the thing. I am usually wicked skeptical about dreams coming true, even though I am of the fame generation. Thank you, Irene Cara et al. I had the Flashdance sweatshirt. Of course I did. I was born in 1968. Do the math. Where was I in the 80s? Having fun. Dancing my heart out. With that goddess of earth, that there is something, an idea coming here that's connected to your imagination, your creativity, and nature that is in some way a dream come true, that you need to focus on your dream coming true for mastery here. And that it involves your spiritual growth as well. It's very, very interesting. Like, I feel connective tissue. Sometimes the 5 different things are just that. They're different things. But I am feeling with the mystery of that Goddess of Earth card here and the dream come true, a bit of connective tissue. I mean, it's all connected, but thematically. Let's keep going. Let's ask your higher self for the inspiration that you need, right? It's a Whisper of Love Oracle deck. I love this deck so much. Direct, but in a different way direct than the Gods, Angels, Gods, and Goddesses Oracle. All very love-based, obviously, the Whisper of Love Oracle. But let's see what the Higher Self Collective says, shall we? Take a nice deep breath. the higher selves of all involved, please. One card in clarity for my darling Aquarian collective, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. What do they need this new moon in Cancer, new full moon next in Capricorn, June, July 2020? What is the inspiration or the upliftment or the support or the encouragement from the higher self collective that they need for this new moon? Oh, no. This new moon to full moon next. Almost had that one. This full moon to new moon next, June, July 2020. New love. Your dream come true might be coming through a new love. Now, it even says on the card, I will read it in a moment, embrace this new opportunity of love that is here. This may pertain to work opportunities or spiritual growth. Says that right on the card. I know you can't see that particularly with the light, but it does say in terms of work or spiritual growth at the bottom of the card, and you got the spiritual growth card. So there, like I said, I said about connective tissue, there you have literal symbolic connective tissue. That actually does make sense, but maybe just in my mind. So with this new love that's coming on, an idea connected to imagination, creativity, and nature is coming your way. And it is a new love, and it's part of a dream come true and your spiritual growth. Then by all means, it seems like you're on a pretty good track here. Let's get you from the Ascended Masters, who gave us this dream come true card, I guess in the third place. Let's see what your healing mantra is that you need. Breathe. Oh yeah, I'm going to bat for you on this one. Go to bat for everybody. My Ascended Masters. Please, one card in clarity. What is the perfect healing mantra for this Aquarian collective, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign for this new moon in Cancer to full moon next in Capricorn? What is the perfect healing mantra that they need, considering that the angels are talking about spiritual growth, the goddess of earth saying that an idea connected to imagination, creativity, and nature is coming toward them? And I'll pull it when I pull it. The Ascended Masters, you're giving us dream come true, the luck card here. Not the first time for this series, and the higher selves are talking about a new love. Embrace this new opportunity of love that is here. This may pertain to work opportunities or spiritual growth, so please, their perfect healing mantra, my Ascended Masters, is expressing free will. Literally, Capricorn just got this one. My choices determine how brightly I shine. Expressing free will. My choices determine how brightly I shine. There's been a lot of repeat cards, and you see how long I shuffle. It's like an occupational hazard when you read as often as I do, that when you see repetition of cards, you're like, well, did I not shuffle it enough? So as a Virgo, I like go overboard, and I pray and I bless the decks and clear the energy fields. There are just certain things that are trends, right, that happen. I mean, particularly with all these retrogrades, I suppose that makes sense. We're seeing more patterns revealing themselves. Hold on one second. There we go. Expressing free will. My choices determine how brightly I shine. When free will is expressed, the quality of your experiences is based not on the actions of others, but on how wisely and lovingly each moment is viewed. So it's always going to be about how you choose to see things first, regardless of what actions that you take. It doesn't match the unconsciousness of others or fight to have the final word. Instead, free will conveys the brightness of your soul through the sum of your words and actions, even when responding to those who aren't acting their best. This mantra is ideal for overcoming feelings of disempowerment, fulfilling personal goals, which is what this kind of feels like with this dream come true thing, and becoming more ambitious. Expressing free will. My choices determine how brightly I shine. Knock it off, camera light. You're just trying to strobe light me. pow, right in the cornea. So putting this all together, definitely it says that though this is a dream come true, you are still totally in that place of free will, but are you willing to allow, this is, right, that word willing. So to put it all together, right, we're saying here that, you know, what do you need to grow spiritually through this? That there is this idea coming your way, right? Something about the earth and your creativity and inspiration that is a dream come true and may take you by surprise in terms of a new love, or at least in terms of the new love of spiritual growth happening within you. But that, remember, in order to shine brightly through this, your choices determine how brightly you shine. What is it that comes out of your mouth? This is very Letha. This is very summer solstice. I've been doing the live streams about this. The connection of the fifth chakra, which is the throat, to the fifth Sabbath of summer solstice, willpower, all that stuff. So you might want to take a look at that particularly, because this is such a key mantra. My choices determine how brightly I shine, even down to you have total free will to accept or deny whatever this new love is, and this dream come true. But if you can do it for the spiritual growth and say, in for a penny, in for a pound, whatever, I may suffer as a result of this, I may learn, I may not. But to know that it is all your free will and choice. So, may the Aquarian collective Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs be blessed with all that they need this new moon to full moon next, to express their free will choices, shining as brightly as they go, to deal with this true love and this spiritual growth that is a dream come true that is coming their way, most likely in idea form first, air signs that they are, but that they may manifest it for their well-being and for the well-being of all. So mote it be. So it is. Whew, thank you for the grace of prayer. And thank you so much for watching. Again, please do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment in the comment section below if you're feeling it. Otherwise, wishing you the very best and the very blessed of this new moon to full moon next, my darlings, my water bearers. Hail. Farewell and blessed, blessed be.